Hi, this is Gary Gibson, former classroom teacher and owner of Mr. Circuit Technology. I founded this company to create, manufacture, and deliver labs and kits that instructors can use to teach electronics technology in a way that helps their students become workforce ready and empower them to succeed. The Mr. Circuit labs and kits are student directed and easy to manage. Students use a 9-volt battery to power all the experiments, so they do not need any special equipment. They can follow along with the Mr. Circuit online presentations to help them complete all the assignments, making it very easy on you. Now let me tell you why thousands of students and teachers use and continue to use the Mr. Circuit labs and kits every year. Are you interested in keeping all of your students engaged and learning technology? By classroom experience as a teacher in LA City schools, I, like you probably have too, discovered how to keep students interested. I found that my students needed relevant material, clear instructions, and hands-on activities to keep them engaged. This is exactly what the Mr. Circuit labs and kits were designed to do. I have had former students tell me that the Mr. Circuit labs and kits got them interested in electronics, and that was the reason that they have the job that they have today. If you use the Mr. Circuit labs and kits with your students, you will see their eyes light up when they successfully build these circuits as they gain an understanding of electronics technology. The students that I've worked with get so excited that they want to show all their friends and family. The Mr. Circuit labs and kits serve as the perfect segue into Arduinos and other programmable microcontrollers. Welcome to the Mr. Circuit Technology Company, the home of the Mr. Circuit Labs. Each of these labs is self-contained and comes with all the electronic parts necessary: a solderless circuit board, written lessons with diagrams, schematics, and explanations. Also, each lesson and experiment has video presentations, online practice quizzes, and written quizzes. The key to the success of the Mr. Circuit Labs are the hands-on experiments that are built by each student. These engaging activities ensure learning comprehension and teach valuable job skills. Each experiment is done on a solderless circuit board and is powered by a 9-volt battery. Thus, there is no need for special tools or power supplies. Therefore, the experiments can be done in the classroom or at home. Each lab is durable and reusable. Replacement experiment parts are available for purchase. We hope you will want to use Mr. Circuit Labs in your personal and/or classroom electronics training program. To purchase the labs, you can visit our website at www.mrcircuittechnology.com or give us a call at 805-295-1642. Thank you. Here is some additional information that you might be interested in. That is, we offer the Mr. Circuit Lab 1 in two formats. Format 1 is in lab form, and Format 2 is in kit form. In format number 1, each lab is in its own box and costs $39. This is the lab format. You can buy a quantity of Mr. Circuit Lab 1s, part number 1101-lab, for your class. Each lab comes packaged in a white, reusable 12x9x2 box. Inside each lab box is a Mr. Circuit Lab manual, a set of experiment assembly instructions, 16 3x5 bags with a different component in each bag. The student reads the lab manual and can be assisted by going to the link www.mrcircuittech.com for the Mr. Circuit online presentations by using a computer or a tablet connected to the internet. The other option is Format 2. In this option, each experiment is a separate kit. This is a low-cost way of making the Mr. Circuit Lab 1 experiments available to all of your students. It costs only $160 for the complete set of 31 experiments. In the kit format, each experiment is packaged in a separate kit with all the written instructions and electronic parts to do that experiment in a 6x9 resealable plastic bag. Generally, a teacher would order at least one complete set of these 31 kits, part number MC1-set for $160, and extra solderless circuit boards, part number MC1-00-PK for $3.95 each. The reason you would order extra solderless circuit boards is so that more than one student can be busy working on different kits from the complete set. Again, you can order the Mr. Circuit Labs and Kits on our website, www.mrcircuittechnology.com. Remember that for the lessons, the student would go to mrcircuittech.com. But to order them or to read more about them, you would go to the www.mrcircuittechnology.com website. Again, the Mr. Circuit Labs can be part of any curriculum of electronics, science, physics, technology, engineering, automotive, robotics, or drones. We're sure that you will enjoy teaching with Mr. Circuit Technology Labs. We hope you become one of our many satisfied customers. Thank you, and if you have any questions, be sure to let us know. Have a great day.